Hello students, today we are here to discuss about the poem Night of the Scorpion by Nissim Iskil. Let me interpret the poem for you. Before I start to interpret the poem The Night of the Scorpion, I would like to give details about its poet Nissim Iskil. Nissim Iskil was an Indian-born Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and a critic who was born on 16th December 1924 in Bombay. He attended Wilson College in Mumbai and received his BA degree in English literature. After graduating, he taught English literature and continued his studies at Birkbeck College, London, where he studied philosophy. He was married and published his first collection of poetry in 1952, The Bad Day. Another book, The Dead Man, was published in 1960. His career also included working in the publication industry as a critic at the Names of India and the editor of Poetry India. He also held a number of professional positions at the University of Leeds and University of Pondicherry. He was a foundational figure in India's post-colonial literature and awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for his poetry collection Latter Day Psalms by Sahitya Akademi, India's National Academy for Letters. In 1988, he was awarded by the Padma Shri from the President of India. At the age of 79 in 2004, he died of Alzheimer. Let us begin to interpret the poem. The Night of the Scorpion is a 8-stanza poem, each stanza of which contains between 3 and 18 lines. The minimum number of a stanza, the minimum lines of a stanza in this poem is 3 and the maximum lines or 8. This is one of Ezekiel's first poems. It was anthologized in collected poems and a collection for Nissim Iskil's poem composed between 1952 to 1988, a huge span of his life gone with it. The poem is in free verse, composed in free verse. Free verse means there is no rhyme scheme for the poem. Nissim Iskil introduced, and the free verse adds its seriousness. Whenever the poet uses free verse for his poems, which means the subject matter is serious. Otherwise, he introduces rhyme scheme to beautify his poems. Night of the Scorpion is the story of one night in which the mother of the speaker is stung by a poisonous scorpion. She suffers for 20 hours while peasants, holy men, and her husband attempt to heal her. They try curses, blessings, prayers, herbs, and all forms of ancient medicines that are not practiced in most of the modern world. Their efforts are all in vain. A sense of worldliness is created by the beliefs and practices of these peasants in comparison to the world in which the reader is existing. A barrier is put up between the older generation and the younger generation, between the past and the present. This barrier is torn down as the poem concludes and the reader realizes how similar they are to the characters in the poem, united by their common humanity. The poem begins with the speaker starts the story of how his mother was stung by a scorpion. Ezekiel does not use unnecessary phrases or extra words. He gets right to the point. He describes how the scorpion had been driven inside by incessant or continuous rain and has decided to hide beneath a bag of rice. This first stanza is only of 4 lines. A choice Ezekiel makes to urge the story forward. A quick succession for stanzas allows for the poem to flow faster. The second stanza proceeds in the same way, but this time only with 3 lines. In this second stanza, Ezekiel